everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you a very special cat. They are from the brand Chongker, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. So of course she will arrive in a box like this, and as upon opening it you will find her sitting super pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So this is what it looks like so far, and she's upside down. I'll just go ahead and pull her out so you can see her. So here she is. She is right here. She's so cute. She is full of detail. She even has the cute little pads on her feet as well, as you can see, and her tail. Pretty sure her tail is in the way, but yes, here are the pads. She's extremely soft, and here are these straps. You can disconnect or connect them. You can wear it off on like one strap or two straps. You have that option to do that. And of course she has the zipper down the middle, and as you can see it's super well hidden. So once I find, yeah, here it goes. The zipper is right here. There is the zipper, and here is the string, and you can go ahead and open that up and place anything that you want in there. So I did also receive this, it goes around her neck, it's like a collar. And of course you will also get the brush in case you want to brush her and make her look super cute. So I will go ahead and put the collar on her so you guys can see what she looks like. So here's what she looks like with her collar on, and she's absolutely adorable. As you can see, she is just full of detail, and I will link the information about her down below. So if you guys want to purchase her, you can. I'm super excited that I have another one of these beautiful cats. I will be placing her in my room. I love her. She's so adorable, and she's extremely soft. This is perfect for anybody that you want to get for a gift. I highly recommend it, especially if they are allergic to cats. This is definitely a great gift to give them. I am allergic to cats, so I can look at a really cute cat and hold them without having the allergic reactions and basically the responsibility of owning a cat. So yeah, she's super great, and I don't really know what to name her, but all I know is that she's like extremely cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her on as intended, and I will show you what it looks like. I matched my outfit to match with her colors, so it'll just look super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what she looks like on. So as you can see, she's absolutely so cute and a great accessory. I do highly recommend you guys check them out. They do have other options as well, but the cat backpack is definitely worth a try, just for the fact that you can take her anywhere. Granted, you can take the other ones anywhere that you want, but the plus is that she will be able to hold the things for you, which is absolutely amazing. So there's really no need for two bags. You will have a super cute plushie plus a bag. So I highly recommend it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe, check out Chongker. I will link everything down in the description box below, and I will see you guys next time.